Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful weekend. Today is the first trading day of the week. What a blessing starting day of the week, guys. Amazing trade. Most of the trades against the dollar was short. Let me share with you how I help my traders to squeeze amazing profit through live intraday analysis. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review in the future, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's move into the three major currency pair: Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. All right, so if you look at the Euro USD, pretty straightforward. We've been short from last Friday. If you haven't seen my previous analysis video, link is given in the video description. So this morning, pretty straightforward. As explained to my trader, we were looking this breakout, guys. We were looking this breakout. If the market is gonna break long, if the market is gonna break the previous low short here. If you look at this candle after the breakout, you can see a market went up and retest. That's give us a good significant high probability of short trade here. So we had an amazing short trade here. So technically we were have a short trade on Euro USD, and the target around was this level, which price nicely hit. You can see here previously price respected and at this level. So we had such a nice beautiful short trade on Euro USD, and you can see here pretty straightforward. At the market open, we had this beautiful short trade here, and afterward the momentum was bearish. As I explained, my trader, just keep holding it as long as the momentum is bearish. As you can see here at the New York session, after the news release, the data was good for the dollar. That was the pretty straightforward. As you can see here, price nicely broke on the symmetry triangle pattern, beautiful, and a pullback, another one, and the target around this level, which you can see in 4 hour, and that's the target hit. And that's what I explained my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. What a beautiful short trade on Euro USD. We also had a beautiful short trade on Pound Dollar. Let me explain to you. 4 hour, pretty straightforward. Last week we've been short here. This morning we had one small long trade as a counter as price respected, but as soon as the price respected this level, you can see here previously respected here, that's what I explained my trade. If the price can close above, then long, otherwise possibility of short trade here. So let me share with you how I analyze the entry. That was a pretty straightforward. You can see here that was the first trade, that's the counter long trade here, and afterwards London open. As explained, if the price gonna break this level, because the price was around this level at the 4 hour chart. As you can see here, the price nicely respected, could not break this level, price nicely broken, short trade here, bank as soon as the price hit to the previous low level. Explain my trade, it's time to bank some profit, and let's wait for the New York session. As you can see here, after the data release, data was good for the dollar, pretty straightforward. As explained my trade, look for this breakout, price nicely broken, and beautiful short trade here, nicely hit to the profit target around the previous level. You can see at this level. That's what I explained my trade, it's time to enjoy some profit. What an amazing trade, guys. Dollar CAD, we had a beautiful long trade here, pretty straightforward. We were expecting a pullback long after the impulsive correction and impulsive, and if you look at here in intraday, that was a pretty straightforward. This morning we had this analysis, we were expecting this breakout, and at the New York session we had this breakout. Once the price broke on this previous high, I did updated analysis to help my traders not to miss this opportunity. You can see here same analysis, but I updated, explain my trader, price develop inverted head and shoulder pattern, price develop another pattern, so look for another breakout. So if you miss this one, don't miss this one. So we had a beautiful long trade here, price nicely hit to the profit target, and that's what I explained my trade, it's time to enjoy some profit. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed this analysis. As always mentioned to you guys, you should be watching those analysis in real time and banking profit in real time. Or if you are still struggling in forex trading, this is the platform where you can develop your trading skill with the live trading environment. And once you develop your trading skill, there's opportunities to get funded. For more information, guys, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. Availability calendar link is given in the video description. Most welcome. Join our fast-growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.